Shining bright across the night, breaking darkness with my light. Every shadow fades away. Love will find the path today. Pulse of fire through my veins, calling out your secret name. Even when the stars collide, loving keeps you by my side. Loving for you, cutting through time, straight to your heart, crossing each line. Every rhythm, every tune, glowing brighter just for you. Whispers carried on the air, stories drifting everywhere. Gentle fingers touch my skin, guided by the voice within. Branches sway and secrets call, hidden messages for all. Every breath a world anew, winds are singing just for you. The voice of the wind, calling my name, leading me on, never the same. Every echo wild and free, let the breeze unravel me. The voice of the wind, calling my name, leading me on, never the same. Every echo wild and free, let the breeze unravel me. Shifting clouds and endless sky, questions carry